Hello people, welcome to AA Crypto Trader. So today is the seventh day of using ITP Corporation trading application platform. So I have invested multiple amounts to this particular application, and because of the current bonus program that is going on as part of the Thanksgiving. So I have received multiple bonuses also. So you can see I have invested 263 USDT initially and received the bonus for the same, and then later on I have invested 623 and received the bonus for that as well. And again on top of that, because I have received two bonuses within this period, I have received another bonus of 500 USDT as a dinner voucher, and that also has been into the transition to add to the account. So there are multiple speculations happening around this particular bonus program. People are thinking that this is going to be a scam or else it's a money grab, and many of us are getting panicked. And even I am kind of little bit suspicious, but when we look back into the history, I can see that there are multiple reviews that are saying this kind of bonus programs or giving back to the customers is a part of this particular company. They are doing it for some time. They are doing it from very long time. That's what I heard. So even though that is not completely clearing my doubts, but still I believe that it is gonna be going in right direction, and I don't think there will not be any mishap. So I hope that it will be like that only. Like, they have extended the bonus program for another 48 hours, so it will end on 25th, not 25th, it will end on 24th November midnight, and midnight PST time. So currently we are in IST time, and that will be like 25th by midday, like somewhere around 1:30 or 1:25, something like that, 1:25 p.m. So yeah, if you want to join this community, you can use the link that I have shared below and be a part of this successful journey. And again, you have to take your own risk on this particular platform. So please make sure that you are not investing anything that you are not willing to lose. So any kind of trading platforms comes with a risk, so please do take care of that risk and then invest carefully. So yeah, so today's trades are over. You might have already seen that I have earned around 41 USDT, and then so here you can see the bonuses that I have received in these past few days. 263 bonus I have received, and on top of that there is another 623 USDT bonus I have received, and again as another bonus I have received 500 USDT dinner voucher. So all of these has been added to my account, but they will, as you can see, the time to add that to this the quantitative amount, it will be another 2 days and more. So yeah, that's it with the day 7 of using ITP Corporation. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, and join community. Thank you. Bye bye.